The Beatles' tumultuous breakup was a living testament to the Icarian idea that the higher you rise, the harder you fall, and John Lennon's scathing letter to Paul McCartney laid out the many dramatic tumbles the Fab Four took on their way down from the height of their band's fame. A Melody Maker magazine interview with McCartney inspired Lennon to pen the letter. While discussing the dissolution of the Beatles, McCartney shared his thoughts on the matter, including his belief that his former colleagues and Apple officials acted unfairly and provocatively. When McCartney made such comments, Lennon took offense. In his scathing letter dated November 24, 1971, Lennon spared no punches, referring to McCartney, Linda, and his then-current bandmate as et al. The wee McCartneys, and his ex-bandmate as his obsessive old pal. Although he was supposedly the first Beatle to express dissatisfaction with the band, John Lennon delayed the official separation of the Beatles because of tax issues arising from his residency in the United States, which would not have had the same financial impact on his former comrades. Lennon finally signed the disbandment papers, legally disbanding the Beatles, at the happiest place on Earth when an Apple lawyer tracked him down at a hotel in Disney World's Magic Kingdom resort. Lennon had put off signing the documents for months. For a long time after parting up with one of the most renowned bands in the world, the Fab Four struggled to come to terms with the financial consequences. In a letter he sent to McCartney 3 years prior to signing the deal in 1974, Lennon discussed his tax worries. "What about the tax? I've asked it 1,000,000 times in the last few years. While it's entertaining to play the role of plain old human Paul in The Melody Maker, the truth is that we can't just put our names on a document. John won't do it, you claim. If you're going to protect us from the tax, then I will."